Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to make your video looks more cinematic using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application. And first of all, you can create new project on CapCut and import the video that you want to edit. And I have already created a project and I'm going to make this video looks more cinematic. So here is the trick guys. If you want to make your video looks more cinematic, you can adjust your video. You can do adjustment for the lightness and then the saturation and so on. So we can go to the adjust menu. We can select adjust here. And then the first thing that I want to adjust is the brightness. I'm going to reduce it. Okay. And for the adjustment, it depends on your video. And it will be different from one video to another video. And I'm going to increase the contrast. And then the saturation, I'm going to increase it to make it looks more vibrant. Okay, and the brilliance, for the brilliance, I'm going to reduce it just a little bit. And the sharpen, I'm going to increase it. And the clarity, increase it. Okay, and for the HSL, I'm going to make it more red. Okay, and for the blue color, all right. And I'm going to go back and then you can adjust the grab if you want. Oops, I'm going to make it more red. And also for the blue color, I'm going to create like twilight color guys. Okay, wait. Okay, I think it's enough. And then I'm going to go back. And then I'm going to adjust the temperature. Okay. I'm going to increase it for the hue. Okay. And I think it's done. And this is the result. Yeah, it looks better than before. You can see the difference, right? This is the original video right here, and this is after adjustment. Okay guys, and that's all the tips to make your video looks more cinematic using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.